Hey everyone, I'm Gunnarolla, and over the next couple months I've partnered with Loblaws to explore different Canadian food trends this year. In this episode, we're going to talk about how to breathe new life into your leftovers. As you know, I love to eat out and we always end up with food to take home. So today we're going to figure out how to take our leftovers and switch them up. We're going to make a chimichurri zucchini pasta, it's really fresh and feisty, and a Yum Lentil Soup, really hearty and delicious. Both of these dishes pack a ton of flavor, they're healthy, they've got your leftovers, and they'll allow you to travel the world through taste without leaving your kitchen. Let's get to it. So we're gonna start with our zucchini. Looks like this. We're gonna chop off the ends and then run it through a spiralizer. So technically this isn't pasta in the traditional sense, but if it looks like pasta, it's good enough for me. I'm gonna keep the skin on because that's the way nature intended it. Look at that. We got nice long strands of green. Feels like I'm in grade school again. So we've got our zucchini noodles. The next thing to do is to add a chimichurri sauce, and we could actually create the sauce from scratch, but I ain't got time for that. So instead, I'm gonna use this President's Choice chimichurri sauce. Chimichurri originated in Argentina. It's got red wine vinegar, garlic, cilantro, and a ton of different spices. It's really zesty and flavorful. All right, next up, tomatoes. We're gonna cut these in half before we saute them. Set our stove to medium-high heat. Add about a tablespoon of lemon-infused olive oil. So you wanna saute these face down until they're golden. And we're gonna set them aside. We're gonna grab our chicken leftovers that I've already sliced up for our pasta. We're gonna season our leftover chicken with salt, pepper, and a little bit of lemon. All right, so we're gonna add this pasta. So you don't wanna cook this for too long that it becomes mushy and watery, but we just wanna make sure we heat it up and get all those flavors in there. So this is a really customizable dish if there are other vegetables you wanna add that might complement these flavors, like asparagus or broccoli, or if there are no allergies, you could crush some nuts and put them on top. And there you go. Our leftover chicken has been revived as a chimichurri zucchini pasta. That chimichurri is zesty. That's got a kick. I can't believe it's not real pasta. Next up is our Thai-inspired Tom Yum soup with lentils. Lentils have a whole bunch of health benefits and they come in different colors. To prepare them, all you need to do is soak them in water overnight. And to get the Tom Yum flavors, we're gonna use the President's Choice Tom Yum broth. So we're gonna prep our leftover chicken. First, we're gonna add our olive oil. Gonna add some salt. Next, we're gonna reduce our kale. This smells amazing. All right, let's add our lentils. All right. So we're gonna let the chicken soak up those flavors. Smells like Thailand. And again, this is a very customizable dish, so you can add lemongrass, chilies, it depends on your taste. Oh my God, that's really good. I think you could use some saffron though. So let's add a little bit of that. Oh my God. Don't even need to book a ticket to Thailand to enjoy amazing soup. So there you have it, our leftovers brought back to life in two delicious ways. We had a chimichurri zucchini pasta and a Tom Yum lentil soup. Super easy, super customizable, and super delicious. Let me know what you like to do with your leftovers, and I'll see you next time. À la prochaine.